So the next option is analyst. After recorder, we will talk about analyst, right? So in the recorder, we have talked about records key arguments, records final agreements, only these things. Now we will talk about analyst. In the analyst, we have monitors overall team strategy, monitors other team strategies, identifies areas of common ground, and monitors movements, right? So I'll explain in detail about analysts. As the analyst, you help research plan and advise the negotiation team, right?
Mm-hmm.
Second option, gather intel on the other party interest, constraints, prayer, negotiation, organizational details as well. Next option, identify your site's strength, weaknesses, goals, minimum requirements, and bargaining range. The next option, suggest creative solutions and recommendation options for the lead negotiator to propose. The second last option can be debrief after each meeting to provide tactical and strategic advice for the next session. And the last option can be draft briefing memos on the negotiation status, remaining issues, and overall recommendations. All right.
Okay.
So I will write their bullet points as well. Let me create their bullet points for you on my whiteboard. Number one bullet point can be you help research, plan, and advise the negotiation team about analyst. Number one point can be advise advise the team. Which team? Which is negotiation team, right?
Mm.
Second bullet points. Identify your site strength. Identify identify strength, your site strengths and weakness. Site strengths and weaknesses. Got it?
Yeah.
Next option can be suggest creative solutions and recommendation for the lead generator purpose. Okay. Suggest creative solutions. Got it?
Yeah.
The next point will be debriefing the rather each meeting, provide tactical and strategic advice. Provide tactical and strategic tactical and strategic advice. Got it? And the last option will be draft briefing memos. Draft briefing memos. You understand?
Mm.
Draft briefing memos on the negotiation status, remaining issues, and overall recommendations. So you can write down them, then I will remove them.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
All right, let me remove. Let's come back to the slides. Next option is team controls, right? So how about team control? We will talk about it. Here are few some critical points, some crucial points on maintaining team and personal control with negotiation teams. So discipline, self, and team. Never interrupt the lead negotiator. Respect silence. Never interrupt. Right. So this is about team control, and in team control we have more things. They are the bullet points. They have already been mentioned over there. Right. Which is decide and agree the strategy early on. Always keep to the agreed strategy. Negotiate through the leader. Support one another openly. Empathize with fellow members and portray a united front, right?
Okay.
So how about it? I'll explain in detail. Yes, what do you want to ask?
Oh no, no, I just want to take down those bullet points before you.
These
So,
bullet points,
yeah,
you want to write them?
yeah. Just give me 2 seconds to write them down. To.
No worries. You can take 2 minutes. You won't be able to write in 2 seconds. I know that.
Thank you.
You can take 2 or 3 minutes. Write on them. When you will have done this writing, then you can let me know. I will explain in detail.
Okay.
All right. Take your time.
Okay. Thank you.
Have you wrote?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. So I'm going to explain team control in details.
Mm.
Here are some crucial points on maintaining team or and personal control with negotiation teams. So the points are, after that we will have personal control. We will talk about it later on. Let's finish team
Mm.
control first.
Mm.
So establish clear rules. Establish clear roles and responsibilities for each team member ahead of time, right? The lead negotiator should drive the discussion. Others play supporting roles, right?
Mm.
Second option, agree on a team strategy and priorities before starting negotiation. Have a shared sense of purpose. And the next option will be set set norms for team dynamics. Constructive collaboration, open communication, and mutual respect. Next option is use active listening within the team to understand all perspectives and ideas. And the next option is have quick team handles between negotiation sessions to regroup, exchange insight, and adjust strategy. The next option, debrief thoroughly as a team after each negotiation round. Invite constructive feedback. Next option, the lead negotiator has final say on proposals and responses during live negotiation. Their trust, their judgment. The next option, don't contradict. Do not contradict or undermine each each other in front of the other party. Present a united front, right?
Okay.
If there are disagreements within the team, discuss offline and work through them. Maintain composure, maintain composure and professionalism at all times, even when tensions run high. Focus conversations on negotiating interests, not personalities or positions. Avoid infighting or blaming. Approach differences of opinion with curiosity and patience. Celebrate successes as a team. Learn from setbacks together. With mutual respect, trust, alignment on strategy, and quick coordination, a negotiation team can collaborate seamlessly for the best results. To summarize, discipline should be maintained by self or team. And so, the thing that I have discussed with you, which is never interrupt the lead negotiator and respect silence, never interrupt, right?
Mm. Yeah.
And the rest options you already wrote in the bullet points, which is decide and agree the strategy early on. Always keep to agreed strategy. Negotiate through the leader. Support one another openly. Right. Empathize with fellow members and portray a united front. They are the bullet points that we have already wrote about these things. The next thing that we're gonna discuss, personal control. It's always be polite, firm, and calm, right?